Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best deck building companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select small businesses. We are going to search Phoenix as they have a booming housing industry. Let's do Phoenix, Arizona. There we go. I'm going to increase this to about 25. Get lots of leads. Hit next to lock that in, and now we are doing deck building. Sanity check, so it'll give us our companies. We're going to add that, hit next, lock that in. We're doing owners and founders and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll count for that. Filters, we're going to apply 2 filters a day. The first one is going to be our Google review. We're going to set this between a 3 and a 5. That just means these companies are well received, they're respected by their clients and customers, and the benefit to you is they're just going to be easy to do business with. So we're going to hit next to lock that in. Filters, another one we're going to add is our Google Maps search position. We want to see if these companies are between a 6 and a 15. Anything higher than 15, they don't care about SEO and marketing. Anything lower than a 6, they're pretty dominant in their industry. They're probably already working with marketers or have an internal marketing team. And, these companies are just going to be a bit harder to work with as they're a bit more, as they're already established and they already know what works with them. So a bit less flexible. I'm gonna hit next to lock this in. We're gonna go to our deliver. I'm gonna reset all of these. First, we're gonna add our phone number, Google review count, Google review score, GMB profile, and GMB claimed. GMB claimed is a really great one because if they're listed between 6 and 15 with their Google Map search position, but their Google business isn't claimed, it's a very easy sale. Like, I'm a marketer. I see that you're not listed on Google, but you're doing a lot of great things. Marketing wise, like, you could be getting more business. Let me set that up for you. Kind of an easy sale. We're gonna ignore direct dial as it doubles our credit required, and we're already getting direct email. We're gonna add company Facebook, company Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Twitter. Those are our social media metrics, and we're also going to add search terms, search location, and search position. These are our SEO metrics. These work really well contrasted together because if they have a great social media but bad SEO, you can compare that and you can see, like, they're obviously spending too much money on social media marketing and they need more on SEO. And again, you can design a marketing package based on that. Next, we're going to add revenue, headcount, and data established. These are good for determining longevity and taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are good for marketing intent. Companies with ad pixels are more likely to work with you. And then we have our technology filters. These are good for determining what your company has, synergize with what and again, easier to build a marketing package that way. And determining what context will be best to work with you, like who will have that synergy with what because at the end of the day, that's very important for a sale. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, finish that up. Make sure to give it a title. I did deck building in Phoenix. Set your contacts required. Save a draft just in case you need to stop it to add another filter or change something you're not setting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch this. As you can see, deck building in Phoenix, it's allocating, which means that your lead should be ready in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best deck building leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.